This ship contains 3 layers, 3 floors, 3-storied ship. And the first layer will be here in this area. It will be like this. This is the part which holds this mast in the bottom area. Bottom area of the mast will be held by this. From here it here to here. Thickness of this first layer is 3 mm. It is around 6 inches and this is 6 inches. This is the side view. I'll show you here the top view, how it will be like this. GM. This is complete of same like this, but the hole comes in this area, center area here. The mast comes here. This is also 60 mm, around 2.5 inch. Only the mast portion, the hole will be like this, and the remaining part will be solid. The second floor ceiling is here, from here to here. This one, I'll show you in the figure. Will be around 3 inches, like 75 mm. 75 mm in width, that means 3 inches in width, and this one is 5 inches length. And it is 5 mm thickness. Staircase to go inside the first floor. Ventilation area. Stairs. This is another part. Only floor part is here. Second floor, and this is another part which goes inside. It will be like this. The staircase will be like this, the steps will be like this. From top the second floor, to go inside the second floor, you need to go by this. Triangle please. It will be like this. The third floor top is here. From here to here, and this side from here to here. Here the second floor part is here, complete solid, no vents inside. To go inside, it is complete floor. Here it is. This one is the second floor. width is 3 inches. Length of this second floor is 3.5 inches. Okay. The second floor indication will be the blue one. The first floor is the violet color. Like this. Here is the third floor. Has some vents. You can see here. There's a captain's room, and here also from here to here. So here, I'll be using this red one. The width of this third floor is 3 inches, around like 75 mm. The length is around 90 mm. Here, the main part of the steering will be here. So it has edges like to hold and turn the wheel. And this is the third floor roof. It is 3 to 4 mm thickness. You can use 4 mm, 3 mm. It's your wish. And 75 mm width. Here 120 mm. 5 inch. Here to 5 inch. And the thickness is 4 mm. The mast will be going from the bottom to the top layer. The mast area will be like this. Here, this part will come. So, we holding the roof of the mast to come out of the third floor to the top. From inside, from third floor to top, you can come like this. And there's a vent like this. Here you can go inside like this. So this another floor, top of the third floor. Never mind. And mast will be like this. But the third floor top roof will be like here. This one only. For your idea, I'm going in a rough way. Another drawing. Get an idea. What? First roof will be the indigo color. This one and this one. The second roof is here. The third floor here, and here it is. Here. This one is here. Red color. I'll indicate this. Like 3 mm, 2 mm thickness, 3 mm thickness, not more than that. The window is 15 mm. The frame will be like 20 mm. From here to here is 20 mm. From here to here it is 15 mm. From here to here is 20 mm. Like this, all the windows you'll be having. The window has frame which comes outside. The shapes of the will be like this. Which guards from sunlight, sunscreen, rain won't come inside the shape. window is like 20 mm. 3 to 4 mm. Here is the staircase to the top most floor of the ship. This is also nearly 10 mm height. 10 mm height. Each 10 mm height. Like this. From here to here. Thickness is like 3 mm. The width is 3 mm. It's enough. Part of the last portion and part of the shape. Here is the ship's main part. From the top here the steering consists here. If you roll this will be moving like this, which changes the direction of the ship main part. How important is this? The same importance this part also has. The bottom of the ship from here to here, it is around 23 inches, and from here to here, this part, from this part to this part, it is a hollow section, so that it's the bottom part of the ship. The walls of the second floor, and this is the third floor, and I'll show you. The second floor is here. Walls, its length is 150 mm. It is around 6 inches, and this height is 20 mm, and the thickness is around 5 mm, and the same to this thickness. Third floor wall is around 140 mm length, near to 10 mm less than 6 inches. It will be like 5.5 inch, and this one is 6 inch, and the thickness is 5 mm. Height is 20 mm, same like this. This you can see here, this one and this one. These are two parts. To make the hollow section for this 23-inch wood piece, I've cut this wood piece like this, so that I can easily chip away the wood, unwanted wood, with a chisel and hammer, so that it lessens the weight of the ship. So this 23 inches, and then from here to here it is added 4 inches. Like this total ship was 27 inches. This one you can see this area, the section of this wall was like this. The height of this is 20 mm. Here also 20 mm, same height of this. Every floor wall is 20 mm, and the thickness is 5 mm. The length is around 7.5 inch. It is around 190 mm.